Shiba holders, hope you're fine. Now friends, this video is very important for everyone, especially for Shiba holders friends. If you are a holder of Shiba token, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel, because ABS Tech channel give you updates every time from a new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you friends. Now friends, that is the last 1 hour live price chart of the Shiba you are watching now. Let's see what's going on in this time in the Shiba and what is the next move of Shiba friends. But I request you to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel friends. You can see here, if you look the let's see my friends, let's check it out, the last 1 day price chart. That is the last 1 day price chart. You can see here my friends. Let's see the last 1 week. Let's see my friends, that is the last 1 hour price chart, what's going on at this time in the Shiba. You can see here, if you look the last 1 hour price chart, so the fast down for the jump in the start of this hour and again fast down friends. And now if you look the currently latest move of the Shiba, so you can see here the red candle represent the move of the Shiba token, and I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time friends. Now they again start moving upward friends. So if we do technical analysis, so the technical analysis also tell us that, you can see here, let's suppose that is a resistance line and that is a support line friends. So take a jump, after jump again fast down, and now they again start moving upward friends. So my prediction, and I believe that they will continue this jump for a long time friends. That is my prediction about Shiba token. And personally I really recommend for Shiba token, and I am holding 2.5 billion Shiba token at this time friends. And my plan is that I'm going to sell my Shiba token in the last of 2021 friends, because I want to get a good amount of profit from the Shiba token. That is why I'm holding for a long time friends. What is your plan? What is your prediction about Shiba? Please share in the comment box. And again I request everyone, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe now friends. So friends, as you can see now on the chart, my prediction is 100% positive, and I believe that there is a huge pump coming soon in the Shiba. So I really recommend for everyone to buy Shiba and make a good amount of profit in the future friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.